This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gary Finkelstein. Proudly presenting this modern masterpiece of a home in highly desired Tarpon River neighborhood. Rebuilt and completely redesigned in 2018, this property is an absolute marvel, with the finest finishes and an elegant contemporary/modern split floorpan layout. Possibly the nicest house in Tarpon River. This house is built for entertainment with the best of indoor/outdoor living. Outdoor area is completely private, pool is beautiful, and the tiki hut makes for a fantastic outdoor living room. Lush landscaping, gorgeous curb appeal, and best of all, everything is brand new in this home. Walk to local neighborhood hangouts or take a quick bike ride to Las Olas. This won't last. For more information, review the details below.